Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to stop the automations on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your shortcuts, because the automation will be created into shortcuts application. So you just need to visit your app library and just tap shortcuts here, and whenever you find the application you just need to go click it to open it. And after that, the automations that you have been created before will be saved into the automation on the second sections in the down part here. So you just need to go click it to visit them. And after that, there will be like a lot of personal automation collection that you have been created. So if you want to stop one of them or several automations that you already created, you just need to pick which personal automations that you want to stop. For let's say I would like to stop this, so you just need to go slide this into the left side until you find this delete, and those automation is already deleted from your shortcuts. So you just need to slide into the left side. You can click delete, or you can just slide until the delete is fulfilling all of the screen. So that's the way how to stop the automation on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial is really useful for you guys, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.